Hey guys, what's up? It's Alex Hoffman with Century 21 Trophy Class again, and we have a beautiful 30-acre parcel for you guys to take a look at. We're only 9 miles from downtown Hesperia and only 2 miles from Ferry Township. The parcel itself features rolling hills throughout with a picturesque backdrop. This parcel features multiple potential build sites. And don't forget, if you like what you saw, like the video, subscribe to the channel for more content, and don't forget to check out the link in the description that'll bring you to the website that includes comprehensive mapping and more information on the parcel. And if you want to get out here and get a private showing with myself, call me at 231-327-1701. And don't forget to have a great day.